Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're putting on new tires on the Ram. As you can see, got the tires in the back of the rig, all four. We got the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs. Now, if you've ever watched any of the videos online comparing AT tires, there's a multiple different outlets that rank these as some of the best AT tires that you can buy. So I'm going to put those links in my description so you can watch those, so you're not just taking my word for it, but you can take it from people that know a lot more than I do, that these are some of the best AT tires on the market. Let's go put these bad boys on. We're here at Gabe's Twisted Wrench here in Weatherford, Oklahoma, getting my tires done. And one thing, if you ever get tires done, it's always recommended is check your alignment. So we're gonna go in, Billy's gonna knock out those tires, and then he's gonna put the truck on the alignment rack. So if you're in Weatherford or Western Oklahoma, check out Gabe's Twisted Wrench. He does more than just tires, oil changes, all kinds of auto repair. This is the place to check out here in Western Oklahoma. They treat you right, they treat you fair. Let's go in, let's go get these tires knocked out. Got one tire mounted up. As you can see, got a nice machine. One nice thing about good companies like Gabe's, see all the different weights, all the different rims. There's 100 styles of rims out there. And knowing what you need, all the different styles of weights that might go on those rims, being able to have that is second to none. And of course, the machine to break it all down. Billy's working on the second one. Obviously, everything takes a little bit of time with a slightly larger tire. We're done. All right, we got all four tires off. These old Firestones. I kind of hate these tires. Kind of terrible siping, all done, but they are off. All four new ones. Now time to check out to see how these bad boys balance out.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
A little bit up and down.
Let's see what this bad boy turns out to be.
It's not a whole lot of weight. I'm gonna recheck and see if it gets rid of that shake.
Gonna check the center.
See, I'm used to having a pedal here on the
Right.
machine, so I still
You go for the pedal. It's not there.
all the time.
It changes a little bit. I don't know if they'll pick it up. Sometimes these digital things don't always pick it up.
That's really not a
It's
lot
1.5 outside, 2 on the inside, so that's not really that
That's
bad.
pretty good for the weight of this motherfucker.
As you can see, we got 3 done. Getting the very last one set up. Almost done. Now the tires are done. Time to get in alignment. Now, of course, costs a little extra, but anytime you put on tires, this is one thing you never want to skip on. Getting alignment done, make sure those loose tires won't wear prematurely. So as you can tell, Billy's getting everything set up. These little plates will help rotate whatever you might have to adjust in case there's something that's just slightly off. But anytime new tires are done, this is something that is highly, highly recommended anytime you're done. Let's see where it comes out at. So as you can see with the little alignment dials, and then the machine kind of giving you all the different little numbers, then he's able to adjust all the little things. So it was towed in just a tad too much, so we're just adjusting that just a little bit, just to get her dialed in perfectly. And then tighten it back up once it's done. Tires are on, alignment's done, and it's amazing what just simple set of tires can do to transform a truck and just kind of how it looks, even though it's the same size tire. Maybe in the future I'll go something bigger, but for now, same size tire. Drove around town a little bit, no extra noise, exactly what you want. Rides great. Check out Mickey Thompson, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks everyone.